Hello there, I am Mert. Today I will present you my Introduction to Mobile Programming semester project. I developed a calendar application with Firebase. There is no time to lose, so let's jump in. When we open the app, there is a splash screen. I used Easy Splash Screen library to make this view. After that, we see the login screen. I used Firebase authentication to authenticate users to use the app. You can click the sign up text and you can register with email and password. As you can see, it asks for one more information, your GitHub username. We will see what this field is used for in just a second. If you forget your password, you can reset it. Firebase will send a password reset link to your email address. Let's log in with an already registered email. This is the main screen. When you open the app, if you are already logged in, it will direct you to this screen instead of the login screen. You can see my GitHub profile picture in the top card view. I used Glide library to get the image and load it into the view. Right next to the image, you can see your email address and weekly or monthly plan tags. You can click them to see this week's events or this month's events. You can swipe to delete the event. Below the profile card, you have a calendar view, and you can click to any day to see your events. If I click to a day that has no events, it will tell me there are no events. Magic, right? If I click to a day that has events, it will display them in a recycler view. As you can see, I can add an event with this plus sign floating action button. It will take me to a new screen. User information and event details are stored in Firebase Cloud Firestore database. You can remove the app and reinstall it, or you can use it on multiple devices. You can access your events from everywhere. I can create a new event with name, with detail, a start date, an end date, and a location. You can enter the coordinates yourself, or you can get your current location by clicking this lovely button. Below that, there are two spinners. You can choose the reminder frequency and reminder types. Lastly, you can specify the event type, example, birthday. On the action bar, there are many buttons. You can add extra reminders. You can delete the event if you are angry, and if you are happy, you can share the details with your friends. I will not do that, because my friends left me when I was developing the project. And lastly, you can save it. I saved the event, and now I am back at the main screen. How can I see the event? Easy. You can go to weekly plan or monthly plan, or the day your event starts. I added location. Also, I can share the location as a Google Maps intent. I can add reminders. By default, there is only one reminder which will notify you at the start date. You can add more by clicking the plus button. If I try to add a reminder before the start date or after the end date, it will stop me. Because what I'm trying to do is nonsense. Thank you, calendar app, you are the best. I can click to save it. On main screen, you can see the collapsed menu items. If I click it, I can access the application settings, or I can log out. On settings activity, you can choose your default reminder sound and your default reminder frequency. You can change your app theme between dark and light. Thank you for your time. You can find the link to the source code in the video description. Take care.